Hello, good evening, everyone. This is Life Issue and this is Lesson. Please help me subscribe, please help me like, and please help me share this particular video that I'm about to show you. Now, it's just a video that has been released by Daily Mail, and I was appalled when I saw that video. A video of 6 white men making a monkey noise and racist comments on London Underground. Now, they were doing this to the black people, commuters that were there. And I'm going to show you this video and then I'll come back and I'll make my comments. Thank you.
You good, mate?
I don't think they've ever been good.
Too dumb, you know. Racist on his train. Look at these racist on his train, fam. Hey, do that move again, man. Do that move.
What are you doing?
Monkey. Pretending to be monkey. Oi, big man. Big man. Tough guy. Do that monkey move again, man. Do it for the gram. Do that for the gram, man. Do it for the gram. 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 We've got white monkeys on this train. Yeah. You think you're tough, yeah? Huh? I'm allowing him because he's intoxicated, innit? That's what it is, man.
The next station is Kennington.
100%.
Change here for northbound Northern Line service via Charing Cross from platform 1.
Thank you. Did you watch that? I mean, what year are we in? 2019, and someone thinks that they can behave that way in public. Yeah, we know it's not every white person that is this way. There are a lot of people that I know that are good, yeah, but to think that if some young man, he's young, could do that in public and not think about what their action means, it is horrifying. It is horrifying and terrible that a black person will be in that train and see him acting like a monkey and an herb, referring to him. Why would someone have to face that in this country, this time, this period, this age? And this guy felt like they would not will happen to them. Now I know the Met Police. I know they're going to be on this case, and I know by few days time these men will be dealt with. I trust Met Police. I trust them. Okay, but I just wanted to say something. Being a racist is not just about what they've done. There are subtle way of being a racist. Stereotyping every black woman or every black man as being aggressive, as always talking back, or always having a voice raised, is also, I believe, racist. Because I don't have to speak like a white person. I don't have to behave like a white person. My culture and a white British person culture is different. Jamaicans, Africans are brought up differently. People need to start respecting other people's culture. Okay, I've had occasion or issues in my life where people don't understand or don't want to understand where I'm coming from. That my voice is kind of like much more louder than yours doesn't make me to be aggressive or to be, a bad person. But having people picking on you because of your culture or because of the way you appear or look or say things is racist. That's what I believe. I believe it is racist, and people need to know that. So yes, what this guy just did is another form of racist. It is racist that is glaring, that everybody can see, but there are other kind of racist that is going on, that is under, and it is happening. Okay, when people are not treated fairly because of their color, and it is happening when things, or you have to work extra than another person because of your color or because of your background, where things are picked up when you do it because it is you and because you were not born here, or you are not white. It is still racist, and we're facing it every day. We face it every day. We do face it every day. And the point is, all these things needs to stop. I think it's about time people understand that my culture will not be like your culture. We have different cultures in London, in England, in America, everywhere. Okay, so this action is racist, and I hope Met Police deals with it. I hope they deal with it. It's not just saying sorry, because any black person that sees this video, it is appalling. It is it's appalling. It's appalling. Please share. Please drop your comments. Please send it to your MP. Send it everywhere. Write a petition if we have to. These boys must be dealt with. They should understand the implication of their action, and that it is not allowed in public places. They should not do that. Maybe in their home, they should go ahead and do it. You know, I said last week in my blog that my son was told by someone in his class that he is not supposed to marry. Just kind of, you know, they were having a play, and my son was like, "Oh, I'm going to marry you," that kind of a thing. And a child told him, "Oh, you are only allowed to marry someone of your color. You're not allowed to marry a white person." My son came back and was like, "Mom, is it true that I can only marry a black person?" I'm like, "So who told you that?" And he called, and I was like, "Yeah, that's what the parents are telling him. A 5-year-old shouldn't know anything about racist or about color. Shouldn't even think about it. But these things are happening at home. So these guys didn't just, you know, come on the train and they decide to do that. That is what they have been brought up with. That is what they hear. That is what is happening around them. They've been fed with that. So they are just showing us what has been said in the secret. Okay? And as a black person, we don't have to accept that. We don't have to put up with that. We need to talk about this video, and we need to make sure that these people are brought to book. Thank you so much. Please help me subscribe. Please help me like. Please help me drop your comment. What do you think? Have you ever been faced with racism? Have you been faced with subtle, because I call it subtle racism, because it's not just the glaring one. There are some that are happening and we're not talking about it. Thank you. Have a lovely night. Bye-bye.